goals at Newcastle, and then a 2-goal lead. The 8 minutes had elapsed when United took the lead from Johnny Evans. Now, second goal in a red shirt. Robbie Van Persie corner. Newcastle caught very flat-footed at the set piece. They are missing key personnel in defence. Their first choice goalkeeper in Tim Krul. His understudy Steve Harper had a very embarrassing moment in the 12th minute when he gave the ball to Danny Welbeck. United player somehow failed to find the net. It was a real let-off for Newcastle, but in the end, it didn't matter much because United did claim their second goal inside the opening 15 minutes. Another corner delivered by Wayne Rooney this time. Patrice Evra was on the end of it for his first goal of the season. Once again, the Magpies didn't attack the ball and were left to regret their lack of defensive organisation. This game turned on an incident just after the restart. David De Gea was beaten to the ball by Demba Ba. Woodwork came to United's rescue. Mohamed Cissé was delayed. Probably De Gea saved. It looked as if the ball might have crossed the line. Newcastle certainly thought so. The goal was not awarded. Plays proved inconclusive, but certainly it was a lucky escape for Manchester United. They ended the game as a contest with 20 minutes to go. Tom cleverly claimed their third goal. The debate here is whether or not the midfielder was going for goal or looking for Van Persie at the far post. Not that that debate affects the scoreline.